Hello there, this is Nopename. Welcome back to Minecraft 1.12 pre-release 7. And today I want to show you an update for my circle generator. So let's create a new world. Let's call it Circle Pre-7 Creative, and let's use the void preset. Here it is. Done. And cheats on, and let's create the world. Alright, so last week I already showed you my circle generator and the stupid advancement stuff. Yeah, and last time what have I done? Oh god. So the version I showed you last time wasn't the final version. I added some new features. For example, the command will, or the mechanic will show you how many commands were run to generate the circle. Right, so let's reload and update some more game rules. Same command. Feedback calls, game rule, no, game loop function, that's it. Right, so now, okay, I can tab complete, and we need circle colon test for. I think it was colon. I'm still not sure how to call that the symbol. I think it was colon. Alright, so now it says install circle generator by Nopename, change your score R to change radius, summon script name C to create circle. Alright, so scoreboard, layers, set, Nopename R, let's say 10, but now it's there. And then we need a script. I will use something like this, summon squid. Okay, then custom name C. Okay, I have to update another game rule. Mob loot. Do mob loot. Alright, like this. Okay, so here we have a circle with a radius of 10, and it said 630 commands were run to generate this circle. Okay, so let's try to make a bigger circle. Let's make 100. And as you can see, it didn't display everything instantly because the game needed quite some time to calculate the game tick, because all these 5,776 commands were run in a single game tick, and that takes quite some time, especially when you're recording. So yeah, this is a circle with a radius of 100. Now let's add another 0, 1000. It takes quite some time now, and it ran nearly 60,000 commands. So let's search for the circle. Where is it? Okay, I'm lost. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is still a circle. You can see it quite clearly. And now I have to find a way back. Okay, so I won't make a circle with a radius of 10,000, but instead I will instantly go to 100,000. I've already done that. 100,000. Let's summon the squid, and now it will take quite some time. Okay, and we can use that time to talk about the mechanic. So first of all, when it says start, it will kill the squid and do some calculation to begin the algorithm. By the way, I'm using the Riesenham algorithm to calculate the circle, and it actually only calculates 1/8 of the whole circle, so this part of the circle. Therefore I need 8 area effect clouds that I use as markers, and one will calculate this part of the circle, the other one will calculate this, next one this part, and so on. But first of all, they have to be teleported to this part where the actual circle is created from the middle, and this happens in loop 1. So the area effect clouds are still getting teleported because this text end loop 1 didn't show up yet. So yeah, they have quite some distance to travel, 100,000 blocks. And after that, they will start calculating the circle and generating the stone blocks. And this takes even more time, and that's what's happening in loop 2. And at the end, yeah, it just displays this text at the end, and yeah, it's just ending things up, and we get a sound. So yeah, let's wait a bit. Maybe I will skip this part because it will take really long. I think last time it was about 5.7 million commands executed, but we will see. Hopefully. Oh wait, I think you can't see the desktop. I think I messed that up. Can I change that during? Oh, I can change that during the recording. Alright, excuse me. So yeah. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so because you couldn't see it before, this is the folder. So here's the world file. Here are all the world files, and this is our world, circle pre-release 7. When you go to data and functions, and this was empty, this wasn't there, but I added the folder. You can download it, a link is in the description, and in there you should find these MC function files. Okay, so the first loop still hasn't finished. Oh, no. I think... yeah, I messed up. Wow. Because there's a game rule that limits the commands that can be executed in one tick, and we have to change that. Ah. Wow. Alright, so let's do that now. It's called max command chain length, and by default it's at 65,000, about 65,000. And of course we have to change that. I said before we need about 6 million commands. I think that should be it. So let's see. Oh, we are still there. Okay. Well, that was an epic fail. Okay, so everything is gone, but yeah. If you try it out for yourself, you have to watch out for that game rule too. So let's try again. Summon the squid. And let's wait again. There we go. It calculated 5,700,000 commands, and now the commands I typed in later also were executed. Alright, so let's teleport 100,000 blocks into that direction, and here we have some stone blocks. So let's travel along these stone blocks. And as you can see, or as you can imagine, it's a circle. Oh, wait. These chunks aren't even generated. Wow, okay, but the circle is still there, okay. But Minecraft has problems actually loading all these chunks. But that's interesting, because the chunks have to be... Minecraft has loaded these chunks to generate the stone blocks, because they are there. There was no error message saying worlds must be loaded to set stone blocks or something like that. But when I fly around here, these chunks aren't loaded. That's really interesting. And let's see what happens once I log out and log in again. But yeah, I think you can trust me that this is actually a circle with a radius of 100,000 blocks generated using Minecraft commands. No mods, no plugins, no MC edits. This is what I would call vanilla Minecraft 1.12. So yeah, let's teleport back to the spawn, log out. See, this didn't take like 1 minute to load all the chunks, to save all the chunks, because I think Minecraft doesn't change all the, save all the chunks. So let's teleport back. And as you can see, a lot of stuff is missing. I think it was, yeah. So if you press F3 and G, you can, wow. Can you hear it in the video? Because the sirens are running at the moment. Wait a second, I have to close the windows. Don't worry, I'm okay. I'm okay. Nothing happened. There was no nuclear bomb here. It's just they test the sirens of the city if they are still working, and if the you know, police and stuff is working correctly and so on. So yeah, here you can see the chunks, and it's always exactly 1 or 2 chunks that are missing. So that means Minecraft didn't save the chunks. Alright, so last time we... Which direction did we go? I don't know. Let's go this way and turn off the chunks. So yeah, as you can see, a lot of stuff is missing now. But you could see before that it actually generated the whole circle. So yeah, I don't know, maybe you have to... So actually, I really don't know what to do, so that Minecraft will actually save the circle properly. Maybe you know what to do, but yeah, this is our problem. You can have a circle with a radius of 100,000 blocks, but only as long as you stay inside the world. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode nevertheless, and yeah, see you next time, bye!